Now for homes that are mixed flooring, the J15 Ultra automatically lifts the mop when it detects carpet, it keeps the rugs dry while switching the vacuum mode, and at the same time it delivers up to 19,000 pascals of suction, providing a strong carpet cleaning without dragging moisture across your floors. Now you also get dual rotating mops that spin at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure and follow a smart cleaning path that prevents dirt from being dragged back over already cleaned areas. And this makes a noticeable difference in kitchens, entryways, and high traffic zones. And the base station handles nearly everything on its own. It washes the mop with hot water, it dries it with hot air, and it self-empties into a dust bag that can last up to 75 days. And this is pretty much real hands-free cleaning and not just something that you have to constantly maintain. And through the app, you can manage schedules, cleaning modes, multi-level maps, and remote monitoring. And you also get the voice assistant support that is also available. But the biggest benefit here is that once you set it up, you rarely need to touch up the app again. So if you want a robot vacuum and mop that actually solves those real issues that people complain about, and we're talking about the hair tangles, the edge cleaning, the carpet protection, and the maintenance, I think the Eureka J15 Ultra is a complete package and a well thought out solution for your home. So if you want to grab one of these Eureka J15 Ultra, go ahead and click the link in the description below so you can get a special discount from us. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.